I'm Lori.
And I'm Simone.
And we're with Team Gabriel. Today, we're at 7 Pierce Street in Enfield, Connecticut, in southern Enfield location right off of Raffia Road. And this is an awesome house, and we're going to show you some special features about this ranch.
Come along. We have a nice front room living room with a big picture window and hardwood flooring. And it opens up right to your dining room.
Some nice features include a younger heating system. It's oil heat. It has a new thermostat.
This is your dining area, right attached is your kitchen.
The kitchen area offers some special features. We have oak cabinet with raised panels and arched tops. We have newer stainless steel appliances and lots of counter space. It actually is very bright in here and opens up into a family room breezeway, which would give you extra space. It also leads to your one-car oversized garage into the rear deck. This is a beautiful location in southern Enfield. It's a nice level lot. It's almost all fenced in. It has a nice tool shed out in the back, and there's some nice shade. It offers vinyl siding, architectural roof.
This home offers 3 bedrooms,
built-in air conditioning,
with a great new remodeled bathroom. Got a beautiful tile floor, new tub, new vanity, and your towel closet right inside.
There's a full bathroom in the lower level with tile. There's a large family room downstairs with laundry area. It also has a separate room if you wanted to use that for an office or maybe for a guest bedroom when you have company. And it is in a fabulous location where everybody wants to go. You're conveniently located near all shopping and highways. So if you'd like to take a look at this gorgeous home, give us a call at 860-618-6233 or check us out on our website at teamgabriel.net.
We look forward to hearing from you. Bye-bye.